Get ready for an extraordinary student experience at Vita Student Station Street, the premier student accommodation in Nottingham. Situated in the vibrant neighborhood of Station Street, this exceptional residence offers a diverse selection of luxury studio apartments spread across 8 floors. Enjoy a restful sleep on large cozy beds and take advantage of the private study space. Wall-mounted bookshelves, ample storage, and ensuite washrooms, providing you with the perfect sanctuary after a demanding day at college. Unleash your inner chef and discover those cherished family recipes in the well-equipped kitchenettes. On weekends, engage in friendly competition at the pool table or savor delightful meals with your flatmates in the welcoming dining rooms. Wind down in the evening while enjoying a cup of coffee at the cozy lounge or work up on those muscles at the exclusive 24/7 on-site gym. The building is also directly opposite Nottingham train station, giving you quick and easy access to major universities like Nottingham Trent International College and Nottingham Trent University. And with its central location, you're right on the doorstep of the city's best bars, restaurants, and shops. Take the next step towards your extraordinary student life with Vita Student Station Street. Inquire about your new home at amberstudent.com today.